I don't know what to do. Because it's breaking my heart. I'm just I'm resting. God. Because it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let I don't know what to do. Ihibog mo pa rin yung bibi o yung bibi. Kamunay lang kayo. Pagano na. Oh, yun mo. Yung palabang ko daw na yun. So, dahil magamit mo pa. Malabak ka agad. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hi. So
naman din dito na si Fix sa Shenzhen.
Ha?
Ito na sa road na bulong.
Ay, ay, inakong ko pang hamon.
Ayun, probably na so hey, so beautiful girl. Why you never worry?
Thank you. 5 people in the house.
Why you never worry?
Thank you, Tupac. Bye. Thank you for watching. Tina, Tita. Paano ba yan? Paano ba ako na sa ito?
Imadong ko lang like.
Sige naman. 9 people. Thank you so much. Just tell me where the words start. Hi, Girl Cross. Thank you for watching. Hi, po. Thank you for joining here. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, Sir Edgar. Thank you, po. How are you? Thank you, 16 people in the house.
Vivo
16, thank you for the likes.
subscriber.
Thank you for subscribe. Biling na ako.
Iring.
Thank you po. I'm fine too. I'm good. Thank you for joining, sir. Igor class. Just not yet finished. I'm cleaning home. Thank you for the likes. 5 people likes. Thank you so much. How was your day then? Good day. Wash day. Laundry day. Walking day. Working day. Thank you so much. Nano? Nano? Ha? Ha? Nahain na ano? Thank you so much. My God. So it's been a pretty hard day. Yes, sir. Sir. Sir Edgar. Thank Thank you for joining po. 15 people now. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. It's all a beautiful girl. Oh my god, 8 million. Chief Gamay. Chief Gamay. Oh my god. Chef Gamay. Ay, sorry. na ano? Doon talaga. Sinabi mo na yun sa akin dati. Sino ka para sundin ko? Hello. Chef Gamay. Thank you, 16 people in the house. Thank you so much. So what did the rest of the family do today? Yeah. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Beautiful girl. Suicidal, so desire. Aray ko. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sir Igor Cross. Aray ko. Iba pala kapag iba na. Hi from Australia. Hi. Patch Bessa. Patch Bessa from Australia. Hi, Patch Bessa from Australia. Thank you so much for joining. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Patch Bessa. Oh my god. From Australia. Hi, Johnny. Johnny. Linda Amiga. Got some Filipino friends here, yeah. Oh, really? You have many Filipino friends? Do you have? Just two. Just two. Nice. Maganda ka. Thank you. Maganda. Wala maganda. Thanks a lot. Salamat po. Salamat po. Oh, you know Tagalog. I thought you might like. Yeah, I like rose. I like flowers. Some I don't know. I know. Little by little, you will know Tagalog language. Little by little. Girl. Like, oh my god. I don't like that. That's not funny. You know what? Intentionally, that's not funny. I don't know if they teach me right. I'm not stupid. You know about that. You think I'm stupid? Maybe you meet a stupid Filipino. They teach you like that. Hi, Ezra. Only stupid people know about that. Only stupid Filipino teaching know about that. They're stupid. And you like them being a friend with them. You know what? The lack of attention. The toxic. Oh, I'm sorry. No, not like that. You know the word mahal kita, but the other word is about that. I don't like toxic people in my life. And you think they teach you the good word before mahal kita? You think it's funny? That's not funny. I'll ask. Okay, you will ask them. That's not funny. It's and disrespectful. Disrespectful the word before mahal kita. Hi Ray, oh my god Ray, very long time no here. What's up Ray? Suicidal, suicidal. How are you? I'm just leaving work 5:21 a.m. I'm fine, still fine, Ray. Thank you for joining. Shh. Hi, sir friend. Hello, mom. My God, tiring today. Tired today, sir friend. So sad, oh, I'm so sad. Beautiful girl. Can I have one of your smile? Sir Igor, you make me smile. My smile is not a tiring day. It's a blurry. Ray Bastings. Igor, where are you from? From Australia. Igor.
Ano ba kayo?
So Golden. Hi, Golden. Welcome to the house. What's up, Golden? My God. How are you? What are you doing? I'm sitting and I'm talking to the people here on the live. I know I'm cleaning home, not yet finished. Messy room. I'm cleaning the messy room. Welcome back. Welcome back. You're cleaning, yeah. Cleaning. I'm cleaning. Not yet finished. Just resting for a while. Yeah, resting for a while. Sir Fred, what's up? Thank you for joining, Sir Fred.
Kaya nung usa di ganina, wala na.
This beautiful girl. Was 2 seconds clean. Wabi naman. Not just 2 seconds. Just a nap. Something like it's a magical clean.
Matagalan mo siya sa ube.
Lazy. The lazy cleaning. Suddenly it's magic.
Matagalan mo siya.
Duh.
Iwas baga magkatolan tutulan mo para maganda pa.
Tired. So tired. Dance the Rumble clean for you, yeah. I will. Yes, it is. I wish I still understood you can be Red Riding Hood. Yeah, I know the Red Riding Hood. Oh my god. The Red Riding Hood. Red Riding Hood. Oh my god. Hi, Merca the Bomb. Merca the Bomb. Yeah, Merca the Bomb. What was for dinner? Pork giniling. Again. Pork giniling with carrots. Pork giniling with carrots. Oh, nice, good balanced food. Balanced food. With rice.
Ako muna yung nagpapayo.
Palace 2026. Thank you, Marca the Bomb. Hello, Rosario. Hi, Rosario. This is the beautiful girl.
Ano na?
Is there a game going on?
Pinauna ko na ito ng bulong para
More like Cinderella. Thank you, Sir Igor Cross. Thank you for the flowers. Thank you po. such a beautiful girl. Rosario. Marca de Bomb. Marca de Bomb. Ha? Diri na sunod ang double.
Madali na, magkawakal ka may bintas.
Diri man kay wala available sa ano na lang yan.
Mabakal ka kanta sa ito? Well, kaya mo budget.
Aray ko.
Aray mo, paka. Budget.
Aday.
Wala man budget.
Budget. Kaya kung kaya ko ng budget. Aray.
Aray mo, paka.
Diri ko yun, hindi ko yun ipangburutang na.
Hindi mo naman din gamit ko.
Nangarinig kay daming nabulang sa aking isip. Dapat na sa akin. Ako na yung gab kay ano nang ano ba na? Lesson pa na. Nalalaman ko. Aray, aday.
Dala, mama, okay, para balay-balay.
Sapat na nalalaman ko.
Sabi nila, orang
Ay, no?
Aray. Wow. Sapat na
Kasi,
Yes?
pagkatumilit, pagdaraming pag-ay, nangyayap ko dito na nito sa iyo. Lalo ito na yung sabi dito na ba din, dudupog kang papay daw na po din.
Ano? Bula.
Tatapa na yung kapahid.
Ay, papahit.
Ito na parang ointment.
O yan, Leo.
Oo.
Hindi kasi sabi niya, deal lang ko nila.
Ano, wala na siya sinabi. Hindi ko ano.
May napagsayo ito ba yan na ang time na kami na Polonia to.
May
Ako,
nadupot.
si Elit at si Pedro.
Parang salon pass na idudupot.
Ano daw?
Wala man
Kaya
ako.
pinayamag niya, sabi ko mo po.
Binarakan ko yung 20 ro.
Kaya sabi ko nga, sabi ko, dito sa kanina nagagana kayo na pa. Yan. Sabi ko. Pinayamag ko, sabi, tingnan niya, ito na rin katapa lang.
Wala man siya. Wala man yung resita.
Sabi, nagtatalab niya.
Wala man. Entero pa ito binakan.
Sabi
Pati
ko,
nga.
parang man resito sa kanya. Sabi ko, yadin lang nga. Pero sa datan, na-admit siya ito.
Wala man siya pinadupot. Wala man.
Wala. Mama, ako na lang ignog mo na sa'yo.
Magayon yun ito na lang.
Ma,
Ha? Oo. Ang maging gaya.
thanks.
Kaya tayo nilang out.
Aray, aray ko.
Ito naman na kasi. Ah. Ano kung awan ko na nagkakaroon.
Aray.
At nasa akin nalalaman ko.
Ano? Kamong.
Asra. Beautiful. Thank you for the likes. My God. Sipat na sa akin, malalaman ko. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. Yeah. Hello. Aray ko, aray. Hello, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. Shake it, beautiful. Shake it. Wala lang. I don't know what to do. I don't care what to say. I'm in love with you. Cause just I'm putting away. Cause you know the truth. Hi, John. Hey, Cheryl. Oh my God. Oh my God po. Thank you, John po. Nalalaman ko, sipat na sa akin. Thank you so much, Sir John, for joining. Nobody. Beautiful girl. So excited. I don't know what to say. I'm in love with you. It's just I'm falling away. Cause you know the truth. Thank you for the 19 people in the house.
19.
That sing. Sudden feel like the same. It's just me falling away. Cause you know it's That's okay. It's nice to see you again. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. Sir John. Thank you po. Can you wink? Can you wink for me? Why wink? Why wink? Why you wink? I had to change room at hotel. The AC broke down. Oh wow. Sana all. That's great, Sir John. That's great, John. What the boys doing? They're playing basketball outside. Thank you, Sir John. Love with you, cause just I'm falling away. Cause you know it's true. Don't you know that? Are you in different room? It looks different somehow. Same room, Sir John. Same room. Just I clean. I changed done. Same room. Okay. So, what should I do? What next? You must be good cleaner. I just I replaced the place. Just I arrange something like rearrange the things. Thank you so much for watching. I know it looked different. Yeah. Yeah, look different now. I don't know what to say. I'm in love with you. It's just some going away. Cause you know the crazy. Hi, Busy. Hi, Cheryl. Sulaiman. Siday. Hi, Buji. Venom. I am the wrong runway. Hi, runway. Can you come and clean my room, please? Yes, Sir John. Can you hire me as a cleaner, Sir John? Please. Yes, sir. I'm on the way. On the way. Hi, Veno. Veno ang. Si Veno. Hi, Veno. Sorry, I can't be. I know that your love is mine. Thank you, 14 likes. Thank you for the 14 likes. I gave a message for you. This message I like you. Huh? What? What is it? I don't like. I don't know what to say. I'm in love with you. It's just so falling away. 'Cause you know the thread. I'm frozen.
Kaya na pala guys ang balay namin.
Ngayon pala, guys.
Wonder people. Thank you for the wonder people in the house.
In the house. Maybe in love will end someday.
Ano ba?
Tama yan.
Ano ba? Yung mga punta dito.
Lagi na. Oh, ba?
Binibigyan ko yun.
Nalagyan lang.
Kaya, sorry. Hi, Asra, like Nima Alibo. What? Why does you hurt me so? Thank you for 17 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh my god. His back. Thank you so much. Limited time you complete it. Limited time. Why does you hurt me so? Really no love come back someday. What is sound? Show me what is wrong there. The kids they are playing basketball. Kids, yeah. Juan Impale. How does it take me so? What do you do think about everything? I don't know. What? Ang hirap naman. Simpleng tanong. Simple question but really difficult to answer. Oh my God. Maybe I'm just Latam. Vino. Okay. Okay. My birthday 18, my like 18. Oh my God. Thank you, 19 people. So Saludo, princess. Interesting war. What? Have you had dinner? Not yet. Not yet po. Not yet dinner, Sir John. You're really pretty when you look at the camera. Hentai. Oh my god. What is your dinner, Sir John? Hello, people. Ardy. Hi, Ardy. Oh my god, Sir John, thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya John. Sir John. Thank you. Thank you so much for the gift. 33 people. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir John. Maybe I'll Gayon. Thank you for the orange. The yellow. For the yellow. Orange yellow. I think it's yellow. It's orange. Thank you, Sir John. Thank you po. Good night, brother. Good night, darlings. Darlings. Don't show me. Don't show me at this. Go stop. But thank you for the smile. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my God po. Oh my God po. Oh my God po. Thank you po. By mistake, let I send something.
Ah, 100 mo like yata.
The 6 people. Thanks so much. 34, maybe. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. God po. Comment ko agad na bag ko. Na blue. Okay, kuhaan ko sa blue. Thank you po.
Ano yan na blue?
Thank you po. Baby, my love can go somehow. Thank you po. Alberto Resendes. Alberto. Eliton. Hi, Eliton Santana. Eliton Santana. Hello po. From Brazil. Hi, from Brazil. Beautiful. Thank you, Ethan Santana. When you said that you would tell me whether it's time. Ito lang. Oh, that you are so beautiful. Hello, sweet and beautiful woman like much you got you. Goldening aloneness pain. How are you? My name is Pedro. On me in Spanish. I, Pedro from Spain. I'm from Philippines. I'm Filipina living in the Philippines. Thank you for joining, Sir Pedro. Pedro. Gary. Are you married? Not yet married. Never been married. Never been married. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you for joining my new people in the house. Alchemy is widower, children, two grandchildren living alone, ages 6 to 7 years old. Nice to meet you, Sir Pedro. Kumusta ka? Okay naman. Are old. No, it's not. Stay healthy, living happy living. Kumusta ka? Okay lang po. Steven Hoff. Maganda ka. Thank you, Sir Steven Hoffran. Where are you from, Sir Steven? Hi, Beglon. Thank you, Beglon. Welcome. Hi, I'm from Sonic High. Where is that? Where's the Bisaya? I'm not Bisaya. I'm not Bisaya. Bisaya Steven, where are you from? I don't know about. What part of the Philippines are you in? I am living in Bicol Province, Philippines. I'm living in Bicol Province, Philippines. Mercado Bomb. Mercado Bomb. Mercado. Hey. Nibal. Hey, Nibal. Thank you, Beglon. Where are you at? I'm at home. Home. I'm home. Are you married or single? Never been married. Okay. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Here we go. Oh my God po. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir John. Oh my God po. Thank you po. Are those your kids? Yeah, my kid. My kid. My one kid. He's my kid. My son. Nice. Hubert. Hi, Hubert. Hubert. Kids grow fast. Yeah, kids grow fast. Kids grow fast. Alright. I've been to the Philippines 3 times. Really? You've been in here in the Philippines 3 times? Wow. That's great. Ocean Park. Oh, wow, really? Manila to Mall of Asia. Ah, Mall of Asia. Mall of Asia in Manila. Pasay. Wow. I've been to the wow, Holland Star. Then to the Wild Resort. Wow. Wait. Ronald G. Argentina. Yeah, Argentina. A lot of nice people there. Yeah, a lot of nice people. A lot. Simple. Yeah, simple but happy living. Simple but happy living here in the Philippines. Why my feet? What about my feet? Guapa. Guapa. Why guapa? Who say why guapa? And Thelma, what? All I can do. If I was at the Philippines and I ask you and some for dinner date, what would nothing to say? I'm not expecting that. I'm busy in life. Hi, ganda. Ay, nako. I watched them harvest rice on the farm when I stayed there. Ah, wow. Me, we have a rice. I always, when I'm here, I always gather the rice farm. I know how to plant the rice harvesting the rice, harvest. Yeah, yep. So, I even help wash clothes. Wow, really? Great job. Good job, Sir Stephen Kaufman. Tell me where we would start. It's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Let me get this in. Well, God bless. Always sticker. Thank you, Sir Stephen. Ay, nako. Magka-Andres pa. Bakit? Why Andres? Why Andres? Oh my God, no Andres. I need to go feed babies. Okay. Thank you, Sir Stephen, for joining. God bless. Good night. Da-dum, da-da-da-da-dum. Nagkaon ka na dito, girl. Nagkaon na. Thank you. Thank you, Gavin. You got a game going on. Game going on? What game going? What game going on? Is there a game going on outside? Ah, okay, sorry. The kids playing basketball outside. Sorry, mate. I'm losing my mind. Oh my god. My gulay. Oh my gulay. Markadom. Thank you, Markadom. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Losing your mind. You've been sent ironic. So what's up? My god. Oh my god. You look ready for sleep. Yeah, felt tired today. Oh. I fell asleep. Ready for sleep. Ready to go. Dawag man ako irugsin to yaga. Tapos tangan naman ako sinan. Paano ako siya sa. Butaw naman ako sin prito na isda.
Di na butang.
Ito to sa ano?
Sa may dilata. Ay ano? Sa may dilata.
Daghan naman ang irugsin na isda.
Sa may lata.
Meron mo dito. Tapos ko ako sa kutsara. Did you finish your work paper? Not yet. Not yet finish paperwork. Not yet. Phyllis 2026. Thank you, Mercado Bomb. Phyllis Navidad Channel. Phyllis Navidad. He was not trying to finish that. I want, but ayun isda. Kutsara.
Umbot na. Kaya unahin.
Lang, kutsara ko yan.
Okay. Okay po, boss.
get up early for no reason. Yeah, for no reason. I want to cry. Oh my god. Char. No drama. I don't like drama. I hate drama.
Hindi mo ito mga drama.
Magkaan ka na. Really, yeah. Yeah.
Kaya nagatag sa'yo mo, mama. 792. Super good.
I don't think any people like drama. Yeah. But some like drama. Like, yeah, some like drama, you know, just like for attention. Wait, I'm going to ano. Come on, let's in. Want to eat fresh banana with. I really like rice to my favorite. Okay. Thank you so much. Yummy po. That's all the fish. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Kevin McConnell. Hello. I eat rice for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Ah, okay.
This is the...
Yeah. Lunch, dinner.
Baga na napungaw na ako dito. Baga napungaw na ako dito. Ay. Baga napungaw na ako dito. No. Ha? No? Bakit lang?
Also, it's like very yummy. Yeah. It's yummy. Kasi ako kasi. Do you catch your own first question? First question. What is your first question? Yeah, I tried curry rice. Yummy. Yeah, I make it myself. Oh, I thought you have a question for me. Oh my god. Yummy, alright. I thought you have a question for me, Golden. Do you catch your own first question? Ah, no. Do you enjoy cooking? Yeah, I enjoy cooking.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Hi, Kuya Dre. My God. Welcome back, Kuya Dre. What happened? Kevin Macana, awesome. Thank you, Kuya Dre.
For the watching in the house.
Thank you for watching.
In the house.
6 people in the house.
6
How are you, Kuya Dre?
Mama, espira sana.
Saka ko kaya gab.
Sana.
Saka.
War na.
Kenapa daw tayo ito? Nabintang.
Ito. Oh, 14, no, 74.
Is that chicken with the rice? No. Pork giniling with carrots. With pork giniling with carrots. Fresh banana.
You.
I'm okay. How you been? I'm eating food for dinner. Kuya, what is your favorite meal to cook? Bicol Express.
Diyan nag-iim.
He talking how your life been sharing. Oh my god. Not okay. But I'm still okay. Not okay, but need to be okay. It's okay. Hmm. Yeah, whatever happens, sometimes ups and downs, in your life, and unexpected problem. What happened? Uh, ano, oh my God, many happens in my life. Every day many happens, but need to stay strong, stay healthy.
Ay mo, paka.
Pabati naman po siya, na maganda. Hi, pabati kay Altas ng Kalian. Ay, saan ka ngayon? From Bagsangan, Rusin, Sorsogon. Binabati po. Live na live po tayo. Live na live po tayo. Kasalukuyan, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Procdos. Probinsya po ito ng Bicol, Bayan ng Irusin, Probinsya ng Sorsogon, Bicol Province,
Dog
Philippines.
naman, Bisaya, Tagalog.
Kaya naman, inaanyayahan ko po kayo manood dito at pakinggan ang mga aking sasabihin. Naway, magsulat kayo ng mga komento dito, mga hinanaing nyo sa buhay. Ano ang yung hinanaing nyo sa buhay at kayo mabigyan, mabiyayaan ng magandang na magandang payo na inyong magandang gagawin. Simulan nyo na, mga kaibigan. Ano ba yan? Ano mga hinanaing mo sa buhay, Mark Altaz? Ang tagal mag-reply. God is good watching over you. Thank you, Ezra. God is good all the time. Ang sakit lang ng walang nagmahal sa akin. Meron naman nagmahal. Siguro in a different way lang. At hindi mo yun nararamdaman. Meron naman nagmahal. Siguro hindi mo lang napansin kasi nga may gusto kang may expected na love ka na gusto mong makakuha. Kaso nga lang, hindi yun ang inaasahan. So, minsan kasi the different way to, para ma-appreciate yung, yung love. So, ano bang pagmamahal ang gusto mo? Hi, Frank Melo. Hello. Jesus lang ang love sa akin. At least, yun nga sabi nila eh. Kapag sinabuhay mo yung Diyos, kapag sinabuhay mo si Jesus Christ sa buhay natin, kapag inano mo siya, pinaubaya mo siya, inano mo sa sarili natin, pinasok mo yung Diyos pa sa buhay natin. May kusog ka sang buot na hampangon, ang mga kulog sang buot, ang gubuan na realidad sa mundo, kaya mo hampangon, ang gubuat sa realidad sa mundo. Pag pinasulod mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo, siya ang pinamaniho mo, ay pinaano mo, siya na ang bahala sa iyo. Basta ang gusto lang ng San Diyos lumakad ka sa tamang daan. God is God all the time. Sabi baga, kapag pinasulod mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo, kaya mo hampangon na maski na kagubat sa realidad sa mundo, diri mo mamalayan na, nakayanan ko pala yun. Nalampasan ko pala yun. Hindi mo mamamalayan na the hardest times, sa pinaka lowest and sa pinaka down na naranasan natin, niyada ang Diyos sa buhay nato. So minsan kapag na medyo na nasa tumatagumpay ka na, ma-realize mo, ay grabe pala yung pinagdaanan ko dati, or umano na yung panahon na, ay grabe pala ako yun, grabe pala, kapag looking back ka na, ay grabe pala yung pinagdaanan ko nun, paano ko nalampasan yun, naano na yan, naano mo na, hindi mo nakakalimutan ng Diyos mo, pinasulog mo ang Diyos sa buhay mo. Kaya naman, God is God all the time, kaya kahit sino yan, iwanan ka man ng lahat, hindi ka man mahalin nila, yung pagmamahal na binigay mo at hindi rin nila maibalik ng sukli. Pero yung pagmamahal sa Diyos, sa very unconditional love, the love of God is very unconditional. So yun. Minsan baga, tama yun minsan, kaipuhan ka pahulugan sa Diyos makapahulugan ka sa Diyos para makamangno ka na ayada na inihimo mo diri tama, ayada na nangyayari sa buhay mo na desisyon mo diri yun para sa imo. Minsan kaipuhan mo talaga maranasan yun para mag-grow ka. Diri dahil pasakitan ka sa Diyos, diri dahil sa parusahan ka, pero dahil sa mag-grow ka, yung halimbawa na may something na nangyari na grabe na pagubat, na minsan iniisip mo ang Diyos, ano ba, mali ko, baka may something na kaipuhan mo baguhon, na kaipuhan na aram mo na mali, akay inhimo mo pa, parang may ganun, na parang knock pa na wake up call ni God. Mas kinano na experience mo niyan, Mark. Try mo. Minsan mapagalon baga magano kung sino pagsasabihan mo, isurrender mo sa Diyos kaya pero mo na gubat na mamatian. Minsan baga diri mo aram kung sino ang totoo, kung sino ang tama ang tao na pagsasabihan mo na kasi minsan may mga secret sa'yo. Paano pag manalangin ka, ay surahan mo ang Diyos. Ano ang purpose mo sa ako? Pwede tagan mo ako sinano na tama na kunhain talaga ang direksyon ko sa buhay. Siya na rin yung paano mo sa kanya kasi minsan pag-una nato tama inihimo nato, pero mali pala yun, hindi pala tama. For nobody's perfect naman. Thank you for 26 people in the house. 20 likes. 8 people in the house. Gabi na expect ng Good evening, Cheryl. Just woke up. Only sleep 3 hours. Why wake up early? Why you wake up so early? Need to rest. Just me always thinking. Always thinking of what? They must be shooting basketball, yeah. Sir Jamie Moore, the birthday boy. Sir Jamie, happy birthday. Here are the kids playing basketball outside. Playing basketball outside the kids. Wish for your birthday, Sir Jamie Moore. Health, love, and happiness, and success in life. God bless you more. You know what? Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Kuya Dre, thank you, Kuya Dre. Welcome back again. Oh my God. Oh, wait. Oh. What's up? Huh? Oh, that's cool. You live near the covered ball court. Yeah. My room, a little room. Just a little room. Yes. Miss a room. Just a little room. And then the near court. Hindi can't wait lang. Ah? Hindi can't wait lang. Can't wait lang. Go over there. Shoot them. How to shoot the ball. How to shoot the ball. Oh, that's cool. Rinaldo Pereira Lima Merneno. Hi po. Good morning. Good morning, Vic. Why you wake up early? Oh my God. See, Mike. Wake up early, guys. Mike, Sir Jamie Moore. Kuya Dre, why you wake up too early? Kuya Dre, Rick, Jamie Moore, Mike. Oh my God. Cheryl, bet you have not practiced shooting the ball yet. Oh, yet net. Oh my God. I need to beat the challenge, Sir Kuya. I need to beat the $100. Oh my God. I need to practice shoot the ball. The $100. I practice. Why American people wake up so early? What happened? In America, Cheryl, what happened in America? I've been up for hours for him every morning for many years. Ah, okay, for many years. Mm, okay. I I'm about to working in a few hours. You remember my job? No, oh my god, I forgot. What is your job, Kuya Dre? I forgot. Sorry. Getting ready for work, that's all we do. Ah, okay. Early morning. I remember when I'm in Manila, I'm working there. I always waking up at the 4 a.m. or sometimes 3 a.m. in the morning to prepare the food for ano because too much traffic in Manila. Yeah, I understand, guys. Now I know. Working people. Driver trucking company. Ah, okay. Take care, Kuya Dre. It's the American dream. American dream. Nasaan ka na ba? Nasaan ka na ba?
Utang na tayo sa Bebe.
Nasaan ka na ba? Yan. Do you have been to Manila? How long did you work there? Since graduating in high school. I'm graduated in high school since 2003. Ah, yes, graduating in high school 2003 and I'm going to work in Manila. Work to make a future for the One Love. Pay bills, yeah, pay bills. When I'm working in Manila, I pay the bills. Rent home, electric bills, water bill, foods, travels. Good evening. Donnie. Hey, Donnie. Hello, hello. Hi, FP4 517. FP4. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. How about you? Where are you from? FP4 517.
Wala na dito. Hindi na buwas-buwasan ba? Pero ang tulog ng ticket.
Philippines. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Week the American dream. Get early, work your way off, and give half the pay for taxes and insurance. Uh, yeah, I'm from Philippines. FP4 517. Where are you from? FP4. Nasaan ka na ba? Hindi ko So many billion people. Hi, Igor Cross. Sir Igor, good night. Good night. Good night po. That's true, but all works out if plan your retirement plan are correctly do good investment. Wow, that's great. Sir Igor Cross, thank you so much.
Hindi?
Joining here again. Um, we just run this crazy rat race here in the US. All work we here lately. Wow. Reap done that, retired at 60, enjoying life now for a change. Enjoying life now for a change. Enjoy life for retirement. So Mike. Cesar Benetos. Hi, Cesar. Nasaan ka na ba? Nandito lang ako. Hey. Hello. Cheryl. Want to hang out when I get back in Philippines? We can bring a bodyguard. Okay, if you come here in the Philippines, I'm willing to tour guide. Pay me what $500 a day. It's $500. Tour guide, free food, free travel. Ang mahal. Oh, mahal talaga. Pag mga tourist, mahal. Mura na nga yun eh. $500. I no, $5. No, not 500. It's $5. No, $5 a day. Just 5 a day or 10 a day. $10 a day. $10 a day. Well, I'm tour guide. I'm your tour guide, guys. When you go here in the Philippines, you will meet the beautiful Filipina, beautiful, kind Filipina woman. When you came in the Philippines. Nasaan ka na ba? Nandito lang. I have a great team employees, so I just sit back over, see things, so I can do that from anywhere. Even thousands of miles away as long there is internet. Wow, that's great, Rick. Good job, Rick. Saan ka na ba? Nandito lang ako. Cheryl, don't sell yourself short. Charge minimum of $50 to $75 at least. Will showing visitors different sites there. Okay. No, I'm not selling myself. I'm just the service, like tour guide. I'm a tour guide. Yeah, I'm a tour guide. Tour guide. Maybe $750 or 75 a day. A day. Bang, bang ka talaga, class. Sell yourself. Sell yourself short. Don't work too cheap. Okay. Also $5. $100 a day. Tourist guide. The tourist guide. So, do you have Starlink? No Starlink here. I have not. Starlink. No. Starlink is expensive here. Starlink. If you have a Starlink here, you are a rich people. Oh my God, expensive is Starlink here. Hope I have 100 per day. There you go. Yes, 100 day. Game $100 a day tour guide when you came here in the Philippines. Go go. Come here. Welcome to the Philippines. Yes, $100 a day. Naloko na si Kuya Dre, $100 a day. Mike said. Tour guide. If I have a Starlink, everywhere I go, oh my God, I can live stream, clear internet. Hala, wala ang pera utang tour guide. No credit, no credit. Oh my God. What company has started link setup? I don't know. Maybe it's wait. What company? I don't know here. I search if what company's link setup. Yeah. The Starlink. I have a Starlink here, but expensive. Expensive. That's why. Yeah. That's what a dream. If having a Starlink, oh my God, what a dream, Starlink. Rick, you could definitely do that here as long as you have good trustworthy manager back home to oversee things. Sounds good. Yeah. So tell me where to would start, 'cause it's pretty. Could you check it out, please? Because we can have it there. Hi, Brandon. I'm kidding, Ma'am Cheryl. 1K per day is fine. Okay. But Mike said $100 per day. Mike said I'm expensive, so deal or no deal. Oh my God, I'm expensive. My service is expensive. Tour guide. Can Mike is bum. Oh my God.
Mama, yun si Ashley.
Tuloy na lang. Balik ito karating ka rin. Rick talked to Fred or his brother Ian. They knew all about that. Wow. What are you talking about? Rick and Mike. Talk about what? Could you check it out, please? What? Rick, you could definitely do that here as long as you have the manager back home to all visit. Okay. I don't know what. Tell me where do I start? Cause see what Kona? I think you are Kona. What Kona? Huh? Kona? Kona? Why Kona? Why? Kuya Dre. Oh my God. $100 a day. Oh my God. Ano ka lang?
Yung mamuna sa sila. Nasa sa imo.
Sorry, meant Kuya stupid autocorrect. Ha?
Nasa sa imo.
Correct. Autocorrect. Oh my God. 6K per day is ang mahal. Kamahal-mahal naman. Mike said I'm expensive, so I know I've overseen my company from Hong Kong when I was there for a month. Oh my God, wow. Good job, Rick. Cause tell me where do I start? Cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back. Buang, Mike. Oh my God. Kuya Dre, he's not buang. He's like real type. He's the real type. My God, Kuya Dre. I might be, but I can afford to be. Wow. Oh yes. Mike can pay $100 a day. Okay, loko din. Nagluwas pa lang kadto na kay nagpakadto sa tindahan, magbay ka man dito.
Ha?
Magbay ka man. Nagbakal.
Dito ka.
Ano pa mo ka nagpakadto dito? Kato na. Balik ka ratita mong Linda. Loko din. Ay, nag-uran. Ayaw na. Nahanap ka sa do. Ting kahali.
Dito sa wala. Imod ako sa...
Oh my God. Si baby ko. Say hi, baby. My baby Ash. Loco is good. Loco is good. Need to believe in this crazy world today. If you're going to here in the Philippines, you can hire me a short tour guide, guys. No, yes. You can hire me as a tour guide. Say mo na yun. Hi, girls. Sir James, yes? Hihatag mo na ka na sa'yo.
Ako naman sa'yo. Lagi ako.
I know the Tagalog word, but forgot the spell it. Locust. Yeah. Oh my god. You don't like na? Kiss mo. It's a beautiful baby eye. Say hi. Hi. What you want? Hmm? Ano? Yakult? Ay, bumalik sa dulo. Gusto mo yung Yakult. I can afford to pay it to my friend. But Cheryl, no. 6K ang mahal. Yeah, mahal. But Mike said, yes. But Cheryl, do you have your passport? No, I'm not yet passport. I don't have passport. Not yet passport. I don't have passport yet. But yeah, I don't have passport yet. So beautiful, baby. So beautiful, my But yeah, 6K is ang mahal. Ang mahal nga, 6K a day. But Mike afford the 6K. Mike, you can afford the 6K pesos a day as tour guide. Me as a tour guide, we need to get that for you. Wow, really? Why? Oh my god. I think getting a passport. What passport I do need working? But Mike is buang. Look. Oh my god, $100 a day. Oh my god. Sana girly. Hello there. Hello there. Hi. Wow, ang bait naman ni Kuya Gab. Ako din relate ko siya. Thank you, Kuya Gab. Love ni Kuya Gab si Baby Asho. Baby girl. Say hi, Baba. Say hi. Flying kiss ito, flying kiss. One more flying kiss. Where from? I'm from Philippines. So tell me where the would start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. That's cool. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only you knows. Maybe I hope to find. Mike is cool. Nakatinawagan ako. My God. Ito ka naman ang bibing. $60 plus meal and living. Mike will be on a raffle shoe song. Mike B. She looks a lot like you. Beglon, don't forget to double tap this your screen and subscribe everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Beglon. Beautiful family. Tell me what to go on. Oh my god. Tell me what's the Tagalog word for crazy? So I can remember how to spell. Buang, baliw, same. Buang, baliw, something like that. Buang, crazy. My God, Kuya Dre. Maybe I'll never get someday. It's only heaven knows. 13 people in the house. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Okay guys, I don't need to be respected here, disrespected here. So I'm living. Keep on with bragging. That's what idiots do. Huh? Oh my god, nagalit na si Mike. Mike.
Ano ba pa?
Kuya Dre, say sorry to Mike. Oh my god. Guys, I don't need to be disrespected her. Yes. Kuya Dre, say sorry to Mike. Oh. She mad at now. Oh my god. Kuya Dre, say sorry. Kuya Dre, say sorry to Mike. Oh my god. Sorry, Mike. Oh, ako na nag-sorry. Sorry, Mike from Dre. Sorry, Mike for Dre. I think it's like, all your money can't buy love. Only for failure. All your money can't buy love. Only for failure, poverty, please. Bye. Oh my God. Only Kuya Dre, say sorry to Mike. Oh my God, he felt bad at now. He felt mad. Oh my God. Sorry, Mike, for Dre. Yeah. Ano? Ano ba? Sorry, Mike, just joke lang. Paano? Sorry, Mike. From Dre. Sorry, Mike, for Dre. Sorry. Oh my God. Please tell me where you start. I thought you understand the word, Mike. That's why. I thought you understand that word. That's why I wonder. So, as well, sorry, you know. I thought you understand that word.
Ala!
God. I'm a definitely not a pervert. I'm a jokester. Oh my.
Talaga?
Oh God. Ay, ano? Babang ka pa na.
Papa ka daw. Papa ka daw loto.
Love, sorry, miss. I think misunderstanding each others, but need to be, you know.
Ano na ako luto? Kuya ka ba? Ako yung lakot ta.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, this happened.
Hatag. Ma,
Oh. Hangga.
kuya ko yan!
Oh. Oh my God. Mike, mad at now. ano ba, can take, can take joke. Maybe no, just need to be, just understanding for now. It will be, it will be fine. Ano ba yan? Can take jokes. Ano ba yan? I know it's jokes, but maybe he feel not good now. Yeah. Maybe he feel not good. You're still live. Oh my God po. Yeah, I'm still live, Sir John. I'm still live, John po. Thank you for 17 people. Thank you so much. I need to prepare going to sleep because we have work tomorrow. I went for coffee and watch shoppers. Okay, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. I need to prepare and going to sleep because need to be early tomorrow. Wake up early tomorrow. Need to work. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thank you for joining. God bless. Bye-bye. Love you all.